explorer. Today, we're talking about the Yamaha YZ85, a high-performance motocross bike designed for young riders and those stepping up to the world of racing. The YZ85 is powered by an 84cc liquid-cooled, two-stroke engine that delivers responsive and exciting performance. It's engineered to provide smooth power delivery and excellent torque, making it perfect for riders who are learning the ropes of motocross or competing in youth races. The engine is tuned to offer a strong, controllable power band, making it a blast to ride on tight, technical tracks. Handling is where the YZ85 truly shines. With its lightweight frame and agile design, the bike feels incredibly nimble and responsive, giving riders exceptional control in corners and over jumps. The suspension is well tuned for younger riders, offering great comfort and stability even on rough terrain. It's a bike that helps build confidence, whether you're navigating tight turns or launching off ramps. The YZ85 features a high-performance suspension system, durable components, and a solid braking setup that ensures precise control and safety on the track. The bike's design focuses on ease of use, with ergonomics that make it comfortable for younger riders while still offering the performance needed for competitive racing. In terms of build quality, the YZ85 is built to last, with Yamaha's commitment to durability and performance. It's a bike that can handle the demands of racing and off-road riding, offering a reliable experience for riders who want to push their limits. In short, the Yamaha YZ85 is an excellent choice for young riders looking to get into motocross or for those wanting a competitive bike that's lightweight, agile, and powerful. It's the perfect bike to help riders grow and develop their skills while having fun on the track. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more reviews. Keep exploring and ride safe.